Introducing HEMS' 65-ton dual-action press, the HE-DAP 65T. It is a portable hydraulic tool used for the safe removal and fitment of many types of pins and bushings. It can be used to press and pull hydraulic pins, track pins, master pins, and bushings. It is a unique combination of two reputable toolings into one, making for an effective, compact, and portable solution to many areas of service. Our dual-action press can press pins up to 52 mm in diameter, and pull them up to 62. These devices have a working stroke of 60 mm, and a maximum working pressure of 700 kg per centimeter squared. You can choose to have this device with a manual hand pump, or a dual-control, 2-in-1 pump. For more information please visit HEMSLTD.com or contact sales@HEMSLTD.com. Until then, thank you for watching, and keep your earth-moving machinery moving.